Welcome to eye training course, and today's topic, dynamic relaxation to reduce eye strain and see better. One of the best ways to relax your psyche and reduce eye strain is the dynamic relaxation technique. I personally use it a lot as soon as I feel any eye fatigue or eye strain. Dynamic relaxation technique is the starting point for eye exercises. For example, when athletes come to the gym, the first thing they do is warm up. Dynamic relaxation helps to set the pace of doing eye exercises in the most efficient way. The correct way of performing eye exercises is to relax without any power of or tension eye movements. Dynamic relaxation helps to get into a relaxed state to perform eye training. To improve your vision faster, you need to learn dynamic relaxation. A relaxed state of your mind and body is a perfect way to perform eye exercises. In no case we no need to perform eye exercises powerfully. We need to do eye movements as relaxed as possible. If any eye strain appears during eye exercise, we need immediately stop. You cannot skip dynamic relaxation. Eye exercises will be not that effective if you skip dynamic relaxation. Start your journey to improving your vision in a natural way by learning dynamic relaxation techniques. It is a bit complicated to find this pleasurable state of dynamic relaxation at the beginning, but everybody can do it. With experience, you will teach your brain to relax your psyche with very small dynamic movements. As soon as you find your state of dynamic relaxation, you will like to stay in it. You can do it anywhere, even at work, to reduce eye fatigue or mental pressure for difficult tasks. A video on how to do dynamic relaxation is on my channel. When my eyes came out from an accommodative spasm, I was doing dynamic relaxation every hour. Do not strain my eye muscles and not to get myopic spasm again. Now my eye muscles are in a much better fit shape, much more flexible, and can handle much more visual loads from screens. If you want a more comprehensive course with all nuances to improve your eye health and get better vision naturally, enroll in Eyesight Academy course, a link in the description below.